Hey YouTube, this is a review on the Bushnell TRKR t125l. It's got the pocket clip there. That pocket clip works pretty good. Hasn't come loose or anything. Here's the packaging it came in. It has 125 lumens. Well, there's three different settings. The white has 125 lumens, and it will go for 50 minutes, and it'll go for 105 meters. And then there's a red setting, and that's only 13 lumens. That one will go for 5 hours and 15 minutes, but it'll only go 13 meters. And there's a blood tracking setting. It only has 4 lumens, but it goes for 5 hours and 15 minutes, and that one only goes 6 meters. So here's the first regular white setting, and there's red, and then blood tracking, so it makes red things stick out. And it has a little tactical bumps here, not really sharp or anything. Aircraft aluminum. If you can see, I don't know if it'll focus in, but there's some little bit of grip on the back. The rubber there. So this flashlight's worked great. I got this for $20, so it's pretty good flashlight for that price. Some pretty good flood. The red doesn't have as good flood, and the blue blood tracking has pretty good flood, I guess. TRKR stands for tracker. Tracker t125l, it says there. Just takes one AA battery. Just unscrew this. The battery comes with. So there's the review on the Bushnell TRKR 125L.